with Joe.
That's right.
The crochet.
Colored motorcycle, please come to the information booth. This person is pushed over outside of the parking lot.
This is gorgeous. Look at how that works up. So nice. And you can get this on her website too. This Big Apple. And that's 50% tencel, 50% wool, and it's 364 yards. If you are into something springy, this is 50% superwash merino wool and 50% tencel. This is a fingering weight. So she has different types of weights and blends. Look at this. It has some weight to it. Nice feel.